YouTube. It's very early on Sunday morning on New Year's Eve, so I'm being very quiet. But I've got some nuggets of woodworking wisdom for you today. We're going to look at sharpening plane blades, and I'm not going to show you how to sharpen a plane blade, there's enough videos out there. But I am going to show you something I found this morning that was life-changing. Life-changing. We're all about flattening the underside of our blades this morning, right? Because you can't get a sharp edge if your edge isn't striking all the way across your blade. So, this is what we typically do. We sit our blade down, finger pressure near the edge, and back and forth. Maybe on an angle, maybe on the other angle. If you're keen, you might be doing a figure of 8. Obviously I don't, because I'm filming because my stone wobbles. Anyway, and if you've got a long way to go, which I often do, you end up with some very sore fingerlings. But watch this. Are you watching? Mag switch featherboard. The magnets are pretty much exactly the right length of my Stanley number 5 jack plane. So I'm going to put a magnet and engage it right there, and one right there. Oh yeah, baby. Now we are cooking with gas. And I can immediately see metal being left behind. Whereas before I wasn't seeing very much being left behind at all. And I've got a far more consistent stroke. And my edge has now been ground right to the very tip. There we go, ground right to the edge. Follow that shadow line. See that? Now that's going to be sharp. Here we go. Hope you found that useful. I did. I found it very useful. And if I found it useful, you should find it useful. Goodbye. Happy New Year.